What you're about to see is a video, a classification of design and clarification, you might say, of what insurance companies really are. Insurance companies are not your friend. Insurance agents are not your friend. Insurance agents remind me of realtors or possibly used car salespeople. Let me go ahead and explain this to you very clearly. I have been dealing with insurance companies for 42 years. I know a lot about the ways, actions, and displays that the insurance company portrays toward you, the paying customer. One thing that we need to remember is that we are in a communist act when it comes to insurance companies, because insurance companies have forced us to pay them money that we don't have. To drive a vehicle on the road anywhere in America, it doesn't matter if it's an open highway, a one-way street, or possibly your alley, you have to have insurance. You have to have insurance. Insurance that you will probably never ever use, and if you do use it, the insurance company, being large corporation, trillion-dollar diabolical, instructional, destructional situation of the insurance company ripping you off. That's what the insurance company is doing to you, ripping you off and taking every dime that you own. Whether it's house insurance or it's automobile insurance. Or possibly renter's insurance that you will never use. It's an insurance that says you aren't really insured. And this is a good example of how the insurance company rips you off, steals everything that you have, and they are not your friend. They try to be your friend. They portray themselves as your best pocket buddy that you will ever have. And in reality, the only real friend you have is your dog or possibly your cat. Because the human being that works at the insurance company is trained. They are trained to portray themselves as the owner of the insurance company. And they treat you that way as well. So this is a phone call that was made to a large insurance company. An insurance company that takes your money, and when you need them to be on your side, they treat you with disrespect. They act like they are doing you a square deal when actually they are doing you a round. Doing you a round. Doing you a round.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Okay, do you need the claim number on this situation? So who am I talking to? What's your name, sir?
My name is Sid.
Okay, Sid. The claim number is 003 and then 801001.
Bear with me a moment. Let me bring the claim file up.
Okay, that'd be great.
May I have the name of your client, please?
Claude, Denise S.E.N.
Thank you, sir. And may I have the year, make, and model of the vehicle?
It's a 2019 Toyota Tundra, 4-wheel drive, limited, crew max, 5.5 bed. 4-wheel drive, I presume. You have the estimate there, am I correct, that you just wrote?
I haven't gotten it in the file as of yet, sir. I apologize for the slowness of the computer.
Well, I appreciate you answering the phone right away instead of making me wait 6 hours. We got a problem here, guy. What was your name again?
My name is Sid.
Okay, Sid, we got a problem, okay?
Okay. What's the problem?
The problem is I don't work for $63 an hour. And the vehicle has not even been torn down yet. You're saying that the total cost of repairs is $2,400. I guarantee it's going to be like $7,000 or $8,000. And you should have waited on, you should have held out on writing an estimate until the vehicle was actually at my shop where I can tear it down. My labor hours are a lot higher than $63 an hour.
That is an initial estimate. And
I know what that is, and I'm going to ask you a question. What gives you the right to go ahead and slop an estimate together from 2 or 3 pictures when you know there's going to be hidden damage? And then you randomly, excessively, and quickly write a check to the customer without even knowledge or knowing what is actually wrong with the vehicle. Why do you do that? So the body shop has to get a supplement that you're making it mandatory now instead of asking them to please take it to a body shop that will tear the vehicle down? Most of these people that own vehicles, you tell them, oh, go ahead and take 4 or 5 pictures. We'll write an estimate up from that. And then me, the body shop, has to deal with you on getting supplements and the correct pay and all this other stuff. When in reality, you're hoping and praying that the body shop they take it to doesn't argue with you and just fixes it for that price. Hello?
I'm here, sir.
Okay, I'm talking. You're not answering. You're not talking.
Okay, I was.
Now, what you have done, the giant corporation of being an insurance company that rules the world, you have now made it impossible and very extremely, what can I say, brain torturing, that now I have to fight you to get a supplement and to get the pay that I deserve.
How about just submitting the supplement to where the instructions are listed on the...
Because I don't go through, look, buddy, listen to me. I've been in business 45 years. This is a small town of 3,500 people. I don't have all that computerized crap, okay? So I'm not going to download apps and get on my phone and tinker toy around like I'm on TikTok, to do this. You might be talking about, Collision Masters or Caliber Collision or Service King doing all that. But there's a lot of body shops that don't have the ability to do all that. So I'm not going to be doing all that, okay? It ain't happening. I'm going to talk to somebody on the phone. They're going to give me an email. I will submit a supplement there, and then I will get my paycheck.
At the top of the estimate of record...
I know where it's at. I'm not stupid, sir. You don't need to school me on it. It says right here, congratulations. You're on one step closer to claim resolution. Are they? Are they really that close? That they're going to get their measly $2,400 because you, the insurance company, the only thing you're paying for is Kappa aftermarket parts on a vehicle that you've seen 4 pictures of? I saw the pictures that the lady sent, okay? She sent them to me too. What you guys wrote up is bogus and bullshit.
On page 1 of the estimate...
And then, hold on a second, hold on a minute. On number 14, it says air conditioning. You're telling me to get a like kind quality condenser assembly? You want me to buy a used condenser? You're fucking joking, right?
Sir, I had nothing to do with the estimate, and at this point right now, the only thing I can suggest is if you look at the top of page 1, there will be instructions on how to submit your supplement to staff.
I want to talk to a supervisor, sir. I want to talk to a supervisor. Sid.
Yes, sir.
You're not giving me good information, and the review I leave will not be pretty.
Got it. If you'll bear with me.
Yeah, get a supervisor, and do me a favor, Sid.
What I'm doing.
Don't put me on hold for 6 fucking hours. I got work to do.
Yes, sir. Just one moment.
Yeah.
It's that time to go ahead and subscribe. We need you to subscribe and click that bell, comment below, or this nuclear bomb bumblebee is going to explode your house up into a million pieces, and you won't have anywhere to work or live or anything. So if you're a do-it-yourself guy, you need to subscribe, click the bell, there you go, click that bell, and do it right. Nuclear bomb bumblebee says to do it now.
This is what you go through, okay? This is the deal when you do a collision job and you work with these bullshit insurance companies. This is the action that you get right here. Everything on here is aftermarket. Every single thing on here is aftermarket. And then they have the balls and the gall to tell me to go to LKQ and buy a condenser assembly. A used condenser. I'm surprised they don't have a used fucking radiator on here. They don't even have a radiator. Here it is, radiator. Okay, aftermarket radiator. Air deflector with tow package. AM. They don't even have a fucking radiator on here, and the radiator's broke. It's broke. It's busted. And now I'm on hold and all this other shit just to get my measly little fucking nickel that they owe me.
Hi, this is Jesse. Speaking with.
My name is Pete, owner of Southwest Paint and Body, Moab, Utah. Hello.
Hi, Pete. This is Jesse. I'm one of the supervisors here for Sid.
Okay.
He said that you're having a problem with the issue with supplements in the whole process. If he can't assist you with that, he's going to have to get you over to the adjuster.
Okay, this is what I'm having a problem with. What's your name, sir?
Jesse, Jesse.
This is the problem we're having. You get 2 or 3 pictures from the customer and you write up a bogus estimate, and then you put the body shop in disparity that they have to fight you tooth and nail to get their pay, when all you have to do is tell them to take the car to the repair facility and have them tear it down and do a professional estimate instead of some bogus, let's write it up while we're watching Andy Griffith's show at home because I work at home now.
I understand your frustration. However, for the process, that's something the adjuster would have to address.
Okay? Give me the adjuster's direct phone number. Let me have the adjuster's direct phone number, because all I have is an 800 number.
That's not a problem. Just one moment, please. I'll have Les come talk to you. One moment.
Hold on. I want to talk to a supervisor, sir. I don't want to talk to Sid. And I don't even know if you're a supervisor. For all I know, you're his best friend and live at home with him. How do I know? I need the number to the adjuster, the name of the adjuster, so she can repeat, or he can repeat exactly what you're telling me.
Okay. One moment. I'm going to give it over to Sid.
Oh my God. Seriously, you're going to put me on hold again? Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. I don't fucking believe this bullshit.
I'm back, sir.
So, did your buddy Jesse just hand you the phone? It sounded like he was like sitting next to you there, and he grabbed your headset and then told me what he had to say and then gave it back. Is that where we're at now, Sid?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what I thought. I need the direct number to the lame brain that wrote this estimate up, that thinks they own the insurance company and going to save every little nickel and penny they can for the big $1 trillion insurance company.
Got it. Snapsheet's telephone number is at the top of page 1 of the estimate of record.
So you're telling me to call Snapsheet?
Sir, I'm just saying, all I'm saying is that they're the ones who wrote the estimate. What I'd like to do is to give you the contact information for the adjuster.
Let me have it.
Okay. 800-7.
Are you mocking me here, guy? Are you treating me like I'm dumb? What are you doing?
No, sir. No, sir.
Are you playing me? Let me ask this. Are you playing me as a comedy act for your morning coffee and donuts? What's the deal here?
No, sir. I've been on telephones for over 25 years.
Let me tell you something, bud. Let me tell you something here, guy. The estimate that you guys wrote up for this car, it's a farce. It's a joke, okay? It's like we're going to take this and throw it in the trash. And let me ask you this. Have you already wrote the customer a check? Because I'm going to call them and tell them, do not accept any payment until we have a full estimate of what's going on. What you're doing, I'm going to tell you what you're doing. You are slowing the process down of repairing this vehicle and paying me my money. Because now we have to have a whole other estimate wrote up until it's okayed that you're going to pay for this. I ain't doing shit to the car. The car will be getting storage fees put on it in pieces in the corner of my shop. It'll be getting a $75 a day storage fee for sitting in my shop in a million pieces because you want to play. Let's write an estimate off 4 pictures that the owner takes and doesn't know jack shit about fixing a fucking car. And then we'll wheel and deal with the body shop and screw him around on his pay. So where you're coming up with $63 here and all this other bullshit, put that in your bank account, okay, Sid? Because it ain't going in mine, buddy. You're paying hold on a second. You're paying $36 for paint supplies? Are you fucking joking me? Have you bought a quart of paint lately? Have you bought any clear coat or possibly tape? Have you ever bought a roll of tape, Sid?
Not for the purpose.
Exactly. So how you people can come up with the calculations that you're charging. You got to fix this job on the paint supplies. You got 1.1 hours and it's paying $39 fucking dollars? You're fucking shitting me, dude. How can you justify a quart of paint, paper, tape, primer, sealer, reducers, clear coats, and everything else it takes to paint a fucking fender? $39 fucking dollars. $39 fucking dollars. $39 fucking dollars. That's bullshit, dude, and you know it too, Sid. The only reason you're not going to agree with me, because you're like the news media. The corporation's paying you to be on their side. And don't tell me any fucking different, okay?
What they pay me to do is just answer the phone, sir.
Okay.
If you'd like, I can get you straight to the claims adjuster. I can transfer you.
Yeah, give me straight to him. Give me straight to him so I can hear the famous words.
If you continue with your attitude, this conversation will come to an end. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this.
Yeah, give me to that son of a bitch.
Okay. Bear with me, Jim.
Yeah. I hope you had a good laugh today, Sid. You and your booth buddy there, Jesse. Yeah, I bet he's your supervisor. I don't believe that for a fucking minute.
Just a moment. Thank you very much for...
Yeah, Sid, thanks a lot. Give me his fucking voicemail, because I already know that's what I'll be getting. Do you understand now? Do you see the situation here? They're paying $39 in paint supplies to paint this fucking collision job. There's the total right there. Here's what they're paying per hour. All right, this is bullshit. This person got hit by a deer. It needs a radiator, it needs condenser, it needs antifreeze, it needs fenders, core supports, and everything else. This is total bullshit, people. Total fucking bullshit. Everything they got on here is aftermarket. Everything. Everything is aftermarket. And then they want me to, and it's just not me, it's every body shop. They want you to submit a supplement. And, okay, here we go. Hang on. What? Just as I thought. Yeah, well, I knew the motherfucker wasn't going to answer, so. I can't even hear it. Can you hear it? Hello? Okay, it rang and now it's... Yeah, she's going to return the call. Believe me, my friend, we will be calling the owner on this. You need to call me on this situation. My labor rates are extremely higher than what you wrote it up for. This vehicle is wrecked beyond damage that you wrote up. Way beyond the damage you wrote up.
And I'm going to call the owner now and tell him do not accept a payment on this until the vehicle is at my
location and has been strapped down thoroughly for investigation. Please call me back, 972-420-1293. Thank you.
So what we just witnessed here is that a customer, mine, wrecked their vehicle. They pay dearly for their insurance. They want the insurance company to come through and fix their vehicle properly. But on the other hand, not this hand, on this hand, the insurance company only will pay for junkyard parts, aftermarket parts, and you will not get factory original parts. And that, my friend, is the pitfall and the downfall and the hellacious destruction of an insurance company that you pay dearly for. Our government has forced us to abide by their rules and regulations of having insurance that most of us will never ever use in our lifetime. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you have learned that the insurance company is not your friend.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.